Welcome back from our EatSleepYangon channel. This is Chaw and I will be your host for today. Now I am currently arrived at the Bagaya street or the Sanjiang township and I'm gonna explore here, so come along with me guys. So you will see the chicken hanging in here. So it smells so good. This like mohinga, but not not Burmese one, like molamyai. So let's go. This is like a fruit stand in here. Yeah, this is the Life Flowers pharmacy, and they sell pharmacy and other beauty, cosmetic, and skincare in here. You will see this is so big, and you can get every cosmetic and skincare in here. So the first one I will try for today is ogweji. You can see the pink one is pumpkin ogweji, and the white one here is like taro ogweji. So let's taste it. They are just frying, so this is stay hot. So let me cool off fast. Smells so good. This is just really good. It's like a meat. Salty and creamy. So the pumpkin one. So let's eat. This is really creamy too. This sauce is make the ogweji more delicious. Yeah, I guess so. I think this is the chili sauce. Very sour and creamy at the same time. Yeah. So the price of this is 1,000 Myanmar, so it's around 50 cents. The price is really fair as well. So I saw a cold drink chaw in here, so let's check it out. Fire limited. Fire limited. So I ordered brown sugar milk. You will see the colors. It's really beautiful. This is the desert brown sugar. So let's mix it. So let's taste it. I think this is a nut, so let's taste it. This is really nutty. Yeah, nutty and sweet. So the price of this is 1,300 Myanmar, so it's around 60 cents. The price is really fair as well. And I am also fresh. You can get different types of drink in here, like a kiwi and the blueberry, and oh, they also show off the coffee seed in here. So. So the last one I will try for today is this umbrella fruit salad. This is like the Thai style salad, and you can also extend to salad like Rakhine style. So Rakhine one is more spicy than this one. So I'm gonna try this one. So let's taste this. The taste is really spicy and sour. I think the best part about this salad is like sauce. They use the salt with jaggery juice, so it's really, the taste is like really sweet and spicy. But the Rakhine one is the salty and spicy, so I prefer this one. Yeah, the price of this is 1,000 Myanmar, so it's around 50 cents. The ingredients are garlic and I think they add the peanut powder as well. Yeah, you can get the savory one too. So today I explored Bagaya Street, and I hope you like my video. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you like my video, I'm so sure you will also like this one and this one too. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.